Kylo,
Yo.
you alright?
Yeah.
You want some water?
What's the next?
You want cold or you just out the tap?
Gold.
Cold? You okay?
Yeah.
You throw up a little bit?
A little bit.
You drink a little bit?
Nothing quick.
How's your stomach feel?
I already threw up. I don't know.
Feels better now or feel worse?
I feel the same way.
You want me to take you to your bed?
No, not yet. I want to be sure when.
Out the house?
Yeah. Where to leave.
Alright. So you just want some water then?
If you're gonna leave anything, let me know.
We're about to leave, but I'm gonna grab you some water, okay?
Alright.
Alright, we'll be right back.